Section 4. Visnagar, Nagrik, Shakari Bank Limited DCIT. Charge of income tax, diversification of overriding the title, assessee bank under the liquidation, interest income earned by assessee post liquidation was diverted as a source of overriding the title for payments. DICCI is not taxable under the income. Here is the case. Assessee was on cooperative bank under liquidation with effect from 13th August 2022. The post liquidation assessee through the liquidator was to realize the debts and asset for making further payments to creditor. Okay. Assessee had received the amount of interest income net of expenses in a year considering 6.53 crores post liquidation. The assessee set off the interest income against the brought forward business losses. Nursing officer did not allow to set off. Before CIT, assessee contended that interest income was not taxable. Why? Because it's gone into liquidation. He got the money. That money is to settle the creditors. So right now they got the money and they put it in the FD. So this payment is due to DICCI. Okay. The CIT rejected the claim of assessee. On appeal, tribunal held that understanding with DICGCI, assessee was liable to make payment to DICGCI against the amount received by it. Therefore, the amount received by the assessee held to be paid firstly to DICGCI after making necessary provision for expense in relation to liquidation and declaration of dividend. The tribunal held that since the amount of interest is dispute was not the income of assessee, the same could not be made subjected to tax in the hand of assessee. So it is the income of DICGCI. So they should acquire the income. This has been sold and that is to be for paid to them. It has been withheld, but they will pay the money. They are the liquidated company need not require to pay the tax on the interest which accrue due to the reason of deposit. This was the summary. Thank you.